Hi everyone, my name is Yugandhar Reddy. I am pursuing BTech third year in SRIT College. Today my topic is file system structure and allocation method. Introduction to file system structure. A file system are organizes and manages data on a storage device eventually. It provides a way to store, retrieve and manage the file systemically. Understanding as a structure is essential for optimizing storage and performance. File allocation method, this is one. Continuous allocation, linked allocation, indexed allocation. Basic components of a file system. The main components include the file directly and file control block. File control blocks store metadata like file size, permissions and location. Directories help organize file hierarchically for easy access. Types of file system structure. Single level directly structures are simple but limited in scalability. Two level directly structures separate user and system directions for better organizations. Hierarchical tree structures allow complex and flexible direct arrangements. This is user binaries. System binaries, configuration files, devices, process information, variable files, temporary files, user programs, home directions, bootloader files, system libraries, optimal add-on apps, mount directly removable devices, service data. File allocation method overview. Allocation method determine how disk space is assigned to files. Efficient allocation improves like access speed and storage utilization. The choice of method impacts fragmentation and system performance. Continuous allocation method. Files are stored in continuous blocks on the disks. This method provides fast sequential access to file. It suffers from external fragmentation and file size limitations. Linked allocation method. Each file is a linked list of disk blocks connected via pointers. It allows for a dynamic file and size growth and reduces external fragmentation. Random access to slow since blocks are assigned sequentially. This is file system implementation. Application program, logical file system, file operating modules, basic file system, IO control devices. Indexed allocation method uses an index block to keep track of all disk blocks of a file. Support both sequential and direct access efficiently. The method requires additional space for index blocks. Comparing allocation method. Continuous allocation offers that fast access but less flexibility. Linked allocation is flexible but slower for random access. Indexed allocation balances speed and flexibility at the cost of extra space. Choosing the right allocation method. Compare the size, access patterns, and fragmentation when selecting a method. For large sequentially files, continuous allocation is ideal. For dynamic files with frequent growth, linked or indexed method are preferable. Conclusion and summary. The risk system structure and allocation methods directly influence system eventually. Understanding these methods helps in optimizing storage and access performance. Selecting the appropriate method depends on a specific large needs and uses scenarios. These are file system and structure and allocations methods. Thank you.